The Farmer and the Thieves. On the way, 3 thieves saw the farmer. The first said, "I will steal the goat from the farmer," without him realizing. The second said, "I will steal the donkey from him." The third thief said, "I will steal all his clothes and leave him without clothes." The first thief went and untied the rope from the goat's neck and quietly took it to a field and let the farmer lead the donkey. After a while, the farmer took a look back and discovered that the goat had disappeared. The farmer went to look for the goat, so the second thief came to him and asked him, "What's he looking for?" The farmer told him that someone stole the goat. The thief said to him, "I saw someone driving a goat into the forest. If you run after him, you can catch up with him." The farmer asked the man to hold his donkey, and then ran to catch up with the thief who stole the goat. After the farmer entered the forest, the second thief took the donkey and went away. The farmer returned after a while and did not find the donkey and the man, so he cried a lot because of his bad luck. When the farmer was walking, he saw a man crying in front of a lake. The farmer asked him why he was crying. The man told him that he had a bag full of gold and it fell into the lake. The farmer asked him, "Why didn't you go down to the lake to take the bag?" The man replied, "I'm afraid of water and cannot swim, but I will give the person who brings me the bag 20 gold pieces." The farmer was very happy and said in his mind that God compensated me for the loss of the donkey and the goat, and without much thought, the farmer took off his clothes and jumped into the lake. The farmer searched a lot for the bag of gold, but he did not find anything. When he got out of the water, he did not find his clothes, and did not find the man either. This man is the third thief, who succeeded in stealing the farmer's clothes, and leaving him naked in the desert. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.